Today we're looking at this new flagship case from Be Quiet. It's the Light-Base 900 FX. It comes in white or black, comes with 4 pre-installed fans, and on top of that you can pretty much set it up how you want. You can have it vertically, you can have it inverted, you can also have it horizontal. The Light-Base 900 FX and DX models by Be Quiet is a spacious and versatile high-end PC case. It supports EATX and XLATX motherboards, has room for multiple radiators and fans, and offers impressive flexibility for high-end performance builds. The dual chamber design helps manage cables effectively, while tempered glass panels at the front and side showcase your hardware beautifully. You can also switch between standard, inverted and horizontal layouts, providing full control over the appearance and functionality. With ARGB lighting and pre-installed fans in the FX version, it delivers a blend of aesthetics and performance and is available in either black or white. The Light-Base 900 comes in a brown box with black print featuring images of the case from different angles. Specifications and QR codes for both black and white models are printed on the side. Inside, the case is protected by foam ends, and there's a manual plus a cardboard box containing screws and cable ties. The case is heavy and built like a tank. The case includes built-in RGB strips wrapped around the top, front and bottom, with a combined length of 3 meters. The case also supports motherboards with reverse connections like Zeus's BTF, MSI's Project Zero and Gigabyte's Project Stealth, allowing for a clean cable management. It also supports 3 radiators at the same time, as well as a GPU vertical mounting system. The front panel features a tempered glass cover, easily removable with 2 screws from the inside. Next to it there's a convenient I/O panel that includes 1 USB Type-C, 2 USB Type-A, a combined HD audio jack, an ARGB controller button to change your lighting, as well as a power and reset button. The glass side panel is easy to remove via the thumb screws at the back and has a 3-sided border. The glass is clear on the white model and is 4mm thick, while the steel used in the case is 1mm thick. On the opposite side, the metal panel is perforated for airflow with a removable dust filter from the inside. 4 removable rubber feet holes can be used if you want a horizontal setup. The top of the case is divided into 3 parts: a removable ventilated section with a dust filter underneath, a metal strip with the Be Quiet logo that lights up white, and LED strips running along the edges which run round to the front as well as the bottom. The bottom mirrors the top with 4 adjustable feet that can be repositioned on either the top of the case or onto the side. Inside, the Light-Base 900 offers plenty of room and flexibility. Cable management holes feature rubber grommets for easy organisation. It includes a 140mm fan on the back and 3 140mm reverse bladed fans on the side. There's an adjustable GPU stabiliser to prevent sagging, and both the top and bottom feature removable brackets for fan and radiators. The rear compartment includes a cable management cover that doubles as a mount for 2.5-inch drives. There's also a removable hard disk drive bracket and cage. The case comes with 2 hubs for fans and RGB lighting, one at the top and one at the bottom, each supporting up to 6 devices and is powered by SATA cables. The fan and RGB hubs are linked for easy control via the motherboard or the front ARGB button. The case supports up to 3 120 or 140mm fans on the top, bottom and side, plus one on the back. Radiator wise, it can accommodate sizes from 120mm up to 420mm on the top and bottom, while the front supports up to 360mm, and the rear fits a 120 or 140mm radiator if you wish. The radiators can also be installed on the top, bottom and side without conflicting with each other. The Lightbase 900 is compatible with Mini ITX, Micro ATX, ATX, XLATX and EATX motherboards, including boards with reverse connections. There's space for a CPU cooler up to 190mm, a power supply of up to 225mm, and a GPU up to an amazing 495mm in length. For storage, the case supports up to 4 2.5-inch drives and one 3.5-inch drive, with the option to add an additional cage for a second 3.5-inch drive. The Be Quiet Lightbase 900 is an exceptional choice for enthusiasts looking for maximum flexibility, strong build quality and impressive cooling options. Its dual chamber design, ARGB lighting and compatibility with a wide range of components makes it a versatile and future-proof solution for high-end PC builds. I hope you enjoyed this video, and know I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.